Hi, this video is regarding how to scan a document with your HP OfficeJet 3830 printer. So this option is available on the printer and I'll show you how to do that. The first step is switch on the printer and go to its touch screen. Now we go to the screen and we can see it says scan here, and you can place a document on the glass on the top shelf and then you can press scan button. Now it says make sure scanning to a computer is turned on. So once your computer is on, only then it will scan from here because it has to save a document. So I'll show you that. Now I have switched on my laptop. Now press on the scan button. Yeah, it says the name of the laptop here is a MacBook Pro because I have already connected that laptop with the Wi-Fi network of my home, and this printer is also connected with the Wi-Fi network of my home. So once my laptop is on, or if it is a computer, if it is on anywhere in the house in the same Wi-Fi network, then it will scan and send the copy there. So I select here, it says save as PDF or JPEG. So I press as JPEG, press OK. So we will see how it sends there. So I'm going to show you my laptop. Now you can see on this laptop screen it has automatically started scanning. We actually don't need to find out that, it comes automatically. So that's the page I have scanned. It comes up here automatically. Now we go back to the printer screen. So here we can see it's again says select a computer because that document is already saved and scanned, so it is for the new document. So we just go back. So that's the way we can do scanning.